Hey, HewittzHotWheelz. How's everyone doing? Peace. Anyway, try to move this a little bit. Of course, it'll probably fall on me. Anyway, I wanted to do something real quick. I just watched a Datsunman diecast, and he done a wheel swap. I've seen a lot of people do wheel swaps. I've never done any, but I have a couple cars here that I think I want to swap the wheels on. A couple extra ones. I got the King Cuda with the red wheels, and I got that, well, the red outline, and I got the Jegs Challenger, and I think these wheels would look good on there. I really do. I realize it has the runners on the front and slicks on the back of the Jegs, and these would be a little different, but I just thought it'd look pretty cool to swap those. I don't know, kind of looks like it might look good. Anyway, I've never done that before. Thinking about trying it. It might mess these two cars up completely. I don't know. I got my little drill out here. I think I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't know, they're extra cars. I actually have like three or four of each, and so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna pause in between. Like I said before, I don't edit, but I can pause so you don't have to watch this whole procedure. But I'm gonna go ahead and bust this open, get a good look at her. Probably should have took a better video with my phone first. This tablet doesn't really show it very well. But you all know the Urban Outlaw King Cuda. You remember it from, the year before last maybe? Pretty sweet little ride. And of course, I know you've all seen this. A lot of you guys already found the Super. I never did. Of course, I don't find Supers. I'm just not that lucky. Hot Off the Wheels. I watched that guy several times. I've watched him for a while, and I remember he's went to the dollar store, Dollar General, and I know I've seen him find the 57 Chevy Rod Squad. Which one was it? It's pink Super. I have the original. Yeah, it says Rod Squad on it, but it's the pink one. I've seen him find at least two of those Dollar General. Walk right in, get him out of there. Lucky guy, lucky guy. Anyway, I never did find that one. But anyway, of course, here's the Jegs. And like I said, you see it's got runners in the front. And it's got slicks in the back. Like I said, I know these aren't like that. But I want to put this car on my shelf. I really like it. But I just don't really like them wheels. I mean, maybe some of you guys do, but I don't. I think they could have done just a little something to make them pop. I like the fact that they're runners and slicks, but maybe I'm just weird. But anyway, I'm going to see if I can't change these. Never tried it before, but hey, what's the worst that can happen? All right, I'm going to pause. All right, look, I successfully got them apart. That's awesome. Didn't destroy it. Of course, plastic base. That made it easy. Got this one apart too. Now let me see if I could follow his directions and swap these wheels over without making a mess. I think it'll look pretty cool myself. Pausing again. All right, check it out, man. I was able to do it. I think that looks sweet to me. He had an excellent tutorial. I did just what he said. Of course, I haven't JB welded the bottom yet, but it actually popped on. I must have I must have got a little ridge left on my rivet or something, because it actually popped right on. I may not need to put anything on it. But this tablet doesn't show as good of a picture. I don't know if I can maybe get some light over here, but I think that looks pretty cool. I think it looks better. There you go. That looks a little better. Doesn't that look good? I think it does. You know, and this is a guy, you know, can't hardly see. That was an excellent tutorial there, Datsunman. But like I said, I've seen other videos, people doing it, but I don't ever pay much attention because I can't see anymore. But you made it look so easy, and oh man, I like that. I don't know. Maybe I'm weird, but I just like those wheels so much better than these plain black ones they had on there. Huh. I like it. Of course, they're not runners. Rolls fine. Everything worked good. Of course, you know, the base was plastic. I'm sure that made it easy for me. The metal ones look like they'd be a little more difficult. Anyway, let me know what you think. I think it looked pretty sweet. I haven't put the King Cuda back together. I like the King Cuda. Probably shouldn't have robbed its wheels, but I really wanted its wheels. But I don't want to put these... I don't think these black ones would look very good on there. Let's set them up there real quick. I mean, I guess it's okay, but they just look too plain to me. But you know what? I may pop them on there just in the meantime till I find some wheels I like to put on there. Like I said, I end up with so many extra cars that who cares? Might as well play with them. And that Challenger, that was the only thing. I love this car. I like the decals and all, but the only thing that really bothered me from day one was them wheels. Look at that. I like it. I like it a lot. Thanks, Datsunman. Gave me an excellent idea there. Made it look easy, and I did it. Look, I even have the DeWalt set up. All right. Thanks, guys. Hope you liked it. See you later. Peace.